Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Tricks for Exams. Yeah, today we will see the very basic topic of the pharmacognosy subject, that is a stomata. Okay, regularly these questions are asking in the examination. You take a screenshot. Okay, right now you need not to be remember entire topic, only highlighted points. Highlighted points you can remember. Okay, okay. Yeah, next first we will see the parasitic stomata. Parasitic, it is also called as rubiaceous stomata, also called as parallelly celled stomata. In the exams, they will ask in the passion of synonyms. Okay, what is parasitic means? Rubiaceous means, parallel celled means both are same only. This type of stomata you can be find in the leaves of coca, in the leaves of senna. Coca leaves, senna leaves having it. See here, centrally pore is there and a set of cells are there, and again a external set of cells are there. All are parallel only. That's why it is called a parallel. Rubiaceous, parasitic, parallel, like that. Okay, easy. Okay, next is coca and senna. Yeah, how to remember this entire topic? Here I gave this: coca, Coca-Cola; senna, Sinu is drinking a Coca-Cola regularly. That's why he lost his hairs. Okay, all the hairs he lost, and he got a baldness. He went to a doctor. Doctor gave PRP injection. What is PRP injection? Plasma rich protein. Nowadays PRP injection the doctors are giving to grow the hairs. PRP injection, like that you can remember. So coca, sino, PRP injection. Here you can see PRP. PRP means PRP, parasitic, rubiaceous, parallelly celled. Okay, next diacytic, cross-celled, caryophyllaceous. All are same, similar, synonyms. Okay, here you see the right angle. See, that's why it is a cross-celled. See here, observe here, these two. These are exactly 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Cells are diacytic, that is a cross-celled. Okay, yeah. Example is Vasaka leaf, spearmint leaves, peppermint leaves. These are the examples of this type of stomata. Okay, in the exams they will ask all these things. Okay, here what you have to remember, Vasaka means Vasuki. Vasuki chew the mint, spearmint, peppermint, while working in a DCC. DCC stands for District Cooperative Bank. So Vasuki is working in a district cooperative bank and he is chewing a mint while he is working in a DCC. Okay, very simple. Next, anisocytic stomata. Okay, cruciferous, unequal celled. The name itself indicates. See, all the three cells are unequal. One small cell, see here, three subsidiary cells. Three subsidiary cells are one small, and two are the big. Okay. And how to remember this? Anisocytic A, cruciferous C, both are same. Unequal. AC unequal. AC is not equal in throughout the room. AC is unequal. Okay, like that you can remember. And examples are belladonna, datura, and strontium. BDS means a dental doctor. Belladonna, datura, okay, and strontium. Okay, so you went to a dental doctor and you are in a AC chair, and the doctor made some surgery to your teeth. AC is unequal, like that you can remember. Okay, next, take screenshot. Yeah, anomocytic, also called as irregularly celled, ranunculaceous. See, anemocytic, irregular celled, ranunculus. Irregular, regular, there is no regularity. Okay, AIR, air, you can remember. Okay, here BDS is there, no? Here BDL. Okay, Buchu digitalis lobelia. Digitalis is very important in the exam. They will ask either this name or this name or this name. They might give in the exam. Don't get confusion. Buchu digitalis lobelia. Lobelia is also very important. Digitalis is also important. Here Senna is important. Okay. Yeah. Next is actinocytic, radiated celled. Both are same. Actinocytic or radiated celled stomata. Here activa, radiated celled, radio, active radio you can keep in your mind. Active radio. Two guard cells are surrounded by a circular of radiating subsidiary cells. These are all radiating subsidiary cells. Okay, this is the structure of the stomata. Okay, next is sunken stomata. I gave the shrunken. Shrunken means it will be get shrinked. Okay, sunken stomata, protection of the loss of water from leaf. It mainly the protects shrunken. Okay, and it prevents the loss of the water from. Example is ephedra. This is also a very important. Sunken ephedra is also important. Okay, next. Yeah, take screenshot. Next, circular stomata. It is in the circular round shape. Example is colchicum and squill. It is also important. Squill, colchium. Okay, circular stomata. Squirrel. Squill means squirrel. I gave the name. Trick word squirrel. And circularly. Cal means colchicum. Squirrel. Squirrel circularly. Squirrel means that you know. Okay, and here what is a stomata? Stomata is the minute epidermal opening present mainly in the aerial parts. Okay, aerial parts. Okay, see here, majorly generally it is in the epidermis of a leaf. Okay, and it is also called as a water pores. Okay, jobs. What is the main job of stomata? There is mainly two jobs are there. One is gaseous exchange and another one is the transpiration. Essential parts of this stomata is one central pore. So far we saw one central pore, two guardian cells. These are the essential parts. Okay, in any stomata these are the common. Next, stomata is not essential part for a plant. It is not essential part of a plant. Okay, and present in the green parts, generally aerial parts, that is green parts. Stems, this is also important. They will ask in the exam. Stems, ephedra. In ephedra, stomata is present in the stems. In clove, stomata is present in the flowers. In fennel, stomata is present in the fruits. Okay, these are all the important basic points of the stomata. And here I gave the additionally what is a phloem, what is a xylem. Most of the students will get confusion here. Okay, phloem, see here I gave the down mark. Down mark means it supplies the food to the entire plant. The food is manufactured in the leaves. Okay, from the leaves it goes to the root. Food goes to the root. Okay, how it goes to the root? Through the phloem. Phloem supplies the food for the roots which is manufactured in the leaves. Here that's why I have shown down mark. Xylem, what is the main purpose of xylem? Water. It supplies the water from roots to the leaves. You got my point? That's why here see the mark. See the I gave the code also, trick word. Xi. Xi means a sky. It simulates like a sky. Sky means how you are seeing? You are seeing to the top. Okay, you are seeing towards the top. Okay, like that you can remember it. supplies the water, okay, and it supplies the food. Phloem, P, see, very near to F. Here xi, okay. So repeat the video and watch again. Subscribe my channel, okay. Put bell icon, okay. Press bell icon so that automatically you will get all the updates. Go to playlist, okay. There subject wise I have made the videos. I have classified all the videos subject. Thank you.